let's see how it's doing through lots of tree branches. Okay, this is a... Okay, actually this is a really good test of FSD to see how it's going to do after a storm. Yeah, lots of down branches. Okay, did not like that one. Really slowed down all of a sudden. But you know what? It's making it through it. Alright, let's see how FSD does coming up to this intersection with the traffic lights that are totally out. So these should technically be working like four-way stops. Oh my God, son of a bitch. She did it. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Amazing. Okay, we're avoiding trees. We're going through thick and thin over here. All right, that was a heck of a gust. But yeah, it's compensating for it. Okay, we hit a stick or a tree branch on the ground, but take a moment to plug her in. I want maximum charge. Okay, that's cool. At least the freeway lights are on. Whatever grid that's on is working. That was a pine cone or something that hit the glass. Okay, another traffic light. Treating them like four-way stops. Hasn't missed one yet. It's recognizing that the traffic lights are out. There's some lightning. So yeah, this is Seattle's. There's a big wind event going on right now. I think we were spared big time because it did not rain all day today, so the ground is not very as saturated as it could have been. So we don't have as much, as many power outages and tree downs as we could have. I'm going right now, not home actually, I'm stopping off at a client's house. I Got a crew finishing up a furnace installation right now. Just, went a little south, so it's finishing up at 8. Going to go help them clean up real quick. Yeah, Energy Technologies in Seattle. If you need heating and cooling help, we're still at it. Would you look at that? McDonald's is still open. All right, the future looks bright for autonomy. All right, that's all right, guys. It's uneventful now.